Lightning riders up at the break of dawn. Jack-o'-lantern birds of a summer sun. Baby on a hip, plow in our hand. Tilling, stolen Arkansas land. Slave for life in the blood of a treacherous pen, deeded to white wives and all the shiftless kin. Lightning rider does not sleep on the wings of divine providence. Charge the Almighty with treason. Generations weep and burn, and the wind behind their dreaming eyes calls 21st century deliverance. Generations weep and burn, and the wind behind her dreaming eyes calls 21st century deliverance. Stops the hogs and mimics their grunts, feeds Miss Ham and hogs and spits into a cup. Reads King James and wonders why blue-eyed Jesus sends Africans to die. Light rider hides a book of black soldiers and bound, woman shoulder to shoulder, bayonets trained on the big house. Not gonna build his empire one more day. Not gonna build his empire one more day. Dug a slave for life, I was hands blowing the bits. Two of the little lambs soaking in fire pits. See how they turn, tell and run. Like great white hope delusions, unspared from judgment's robe. Light riders got a foot on destiny's neck, wrangling the future, 9 children at a cliff. Dubbed a slave for life, watch the white armor rise. Light your choice with the flames of false prophets. Light riders got a foot on destiny's neck, wrangling the future. I've never seen that genre, you guys, so yes, thanks for Sikivu for the first time.